Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now this case is made by ESR, and it's an interesting case because it's got a kickstand, but not in the normal location that you see it, all right? So we're going to check this out. It's a clear case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the ESR Classic Kickstand case compatible with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a clear case with stand, military grade protection, built-in camera ring stand, scratch resistant acrylic black. All right, see that right there? That's pretty cool. The kickstand is on the camera, so that's nice that they did that. I want to see how it works and how sturdy the kickstand is. Here's some pictures right here. Covers that camera as well. So I think this is going to be pretty interesting. All right. Now, you can get this for, you got a coupon, all right, but you can get it for $19.99, all right? But it's got a coupon with it, 5%, not a whole lot, but it's a little something, okay? You get it on Prime, all right? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. Okay, here's the box, ESR protective phone case, all right? They're pretty well known for that. Here's some other features on the back right there. Let's go ahead and open this up, get the case out. All right, here's the case. It's a nice TPU case, got that sticky feel to it, so you're gonna have some grip. And you got a nice round back right there, not too sharp. Power button, got your opening for your grills and your charging port right there. You got bolstered corners right there, you can see that. Got a little lanyard open right there. Volume down rocker, and your opening for the mute switch. Got more bolstering on the corner right there. And here's that camera protection right there, plus you got the kickstand right. Let's see how you get this open. Now I see a little groove right there. Oh, no, it doesn't open that way. Open this way. So you open it from this side to get this. It's nice and sturdy too. All right, so you put it up like that. You can watch that angle, and you put it this way, you can watch a more angular look right there. So that's pretty cool. And you might be able to do this where you can get different angles. So it is strong enough to do that, but it doesn't sit well that way, all right? But we'll put the phone in and see how it works. Now this is nice. You hear that click right there, nice and satisfying when you open it and close it. So it's a nice ring. Looks like some aluminum right there, and it's nicely done. It's nicely done. You can see that. Okay, now let's get the device and put it inside and see how that looks. Okay, so here's the 14 Pro Max right here. Let's put this inside. Hopefully this fits pretty nice. All right, so that fits nicely. All right, now here's what the case looks like. You got great screen protection right there, not too high, so it doesn't feel too bulky, and the sides are nice and slim, but gives you good protection. You got the power button right here. You can turn the phone on and off, and you got your volume down rocker right there, your mute switch, and you got your opening for your charging port. Everything lines up nicely in your speaker grills. So nicely done. Now here's the camera on back, well protected. You see that. Now these cameras are huge too, so you need something tall, but it's well protected. You can see that right there. And you got the clear back Apple logo right there, and you can put the kickstand out. All right, so there you go. That's all the way out right there. All right, you put it that way so it stands up with the phone in it, and you put it this way and it stands up with the phone in it. Let's see if you put it at a less angular. So it holds up, but it's a little bit of rocking right there, but it's still this kickstand is pretty sturdy. You hear that click right there, nice and satisfying. Now let's see what happens if we put it this way. So it can be looked at in that way right there too. So this is a great kickstand, a nice feature, and nicely done by ESR. So great case right here. I recommend this case. Let's check out wireless charge, see how that works. So we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put it on. So picked up wireless charge, no problem right there. Let's stand it up, see what happens. All right, so picked up wireless charge standing up. Let's lay it down and see what happens when we lay it down. So picked up wireless charge as well. Okay, so pretty cool. You see the little animation of the dynamic island, that's pretty cool. We'll look at that more later. Okay, so that's a quick look at the ESR clear case protective cover with kickstand, all right? And it's on the camera. Pretty nice feature. Nice protective case, not too bulky, feels good in the hand, and good grip, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Thank you.